It feels like Bitcoin is in sort of a purgatory in terms of trading. When do you think it could get up to its past highs of more than 20,000?
I mean, it's hard to predict prices. I've been in this space for 7 years now. I think sometimes it comes back within 6 months, a year. Sometimes it takes like 3 or 4 years. So it's kind of hard to say.
What do you think price tells us about the cryptocurrency or the network on which it's built? I mean, does it tell us anything about adoption? Does it tell us anything about viability? I'm just wondering, when we look at the price of Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, what is that a measure of in your view?
I think in terms of long term, it tells us the success of cryptocurrency. But short term, it doesn't really tell us much. For example, this year, there's been so much adoption in Bitcoin and Litecoin, but the price have dropped like 60, 70%. So I think it's because it's so volatile. It's all about speculation these days. So, but in the future, the price will reflect the success of cryptocurrencies.
The last time we spoke to you, I believe you had recently sold all of your Litecoin position, and I'm not sure at what price that was or where is it in relation to where the price is today, Charlie. But do you see this sort of this reprieve in price, the decline, as a buying opportunity?
For me, I sold because of conflict of interest, so I'm not going to buy back my Litecoins anytime soon or at all. But I think it's always good to buy on the way down to average dollar cost average your buy-in. That's what I would recommend people to do. And as long as you don't spend money that you can't afford to lose, I think that's fine. I think it's really bad for people who like mortgage their house, put all their money into a coin, and then watch it drop like 80%. But as long as you can afford to, I'd say like spend some money buying some crypto is perfectly fine.
Hey, Charlie, it's BK. So you've got the Litecoin Summit coming up September 14th and 15th. What do you want the takeaway from that to be? What do you expect coming out of that?
I'd like people to focus on technology, on adoption, merchant adoption, and also how to scale. So things like Lightning Network or sidechains helping Bitcoin and Litecoin scale. I'd like to see more talk around that. And I think with the price currently depressed, it's actually a good time for people to actually sit down and have their head down and actually work and get stuff done. And that's what I've seen in the past few bear markets, actually.
All right, Charlie, it's been a pleasure speaking with you. We hope you'll come back on the show soon. Charlie Lee, founder of Litecoin, joining us from San Francisco. Could this summit be a catalyst?
It could be. In the past, that has been, any of these conferences and summits have been catalysts. This year, that had that as a trading style hasn't worked that well. There's some really interesting things going on with Litecoin. Charlie mentioned the Lightning Network. That's been up and operating on Litecoin. Elizabeth Stark has been working on that. So there is some really amazing things going on despite the depressed price. Some real technological advancements.